There seems to be some new problems that didn't occur. So I fixed the main menu, finally. It took me like days of digging up and just deprecating. The main thing is to just make sure you call this, which is an I override object somewhere. And then I'm getting some other errors. I had to copy over the entire source SDK directory to my game directory after I set my Steam ID to here. I have to copy because it wasn't registering launcher.dll. I don't know if that was unintentional or something. There was some other unintentional stuff that I'm trying to solve right now. So I can't launch it as debug. And it was not registering to the other launcher DLL that was there, which is really weird because it did it before. I don't know what it lost. Maybe it's because Source SDK is not installed on C drive anymore. But it's like random tests like this kind of show you. And then I also have to compile the shader DLL. I don't know why my shader DLL is not compiling. Maybe because I don't have things set up for it. I did though. Let's see, we have this like intense problem. And the problem is that MXR low DLL, this thing. Uh-oh. Scripts / sound mixers. Now, I'd have to go dig this up inside of a script file. And what I should have done, we see it instantiating, and I got some items. Yeah, a lot of fun. I don't even know where all my things went for my profile thing is like darked out. I guess I have to upgrade OBS. Might have to do that here in a minute. Something's wrong with OBS. It's being oblivious to the hell is studio mode. That's stupid stuff. Alright, let's see. Let's go back to this. So I'm debugging through the stuff. And it's like, where does this stop? It doesn't tell me, does it? It's like theoretically in the loader, but we don't know. What is MXR load? I'm guessing it's loading a all sounds file or a mixer file for the sound system, X audio. It's always interesting. It's like, why? I put this up on Steam today. I'll like at least the most stripped down version possible, so I get a hang of things, and there's a binary it can access. Alright, so it's nowhere to be found. The other reason is I can just launch a leaked engine and just see where this is at. So I'm pretty sure it's not inside the source code, which is nice because you always find all the problems not inside your source code but somebody else's. Unable to open scripts.soundmixers.txt. Okay. Okay. The old school way of going about this would be to go to Google, type this in, MXR load all sounds mixers. First I want to search this, and then we'll continue on. New Steam beta update. Dota 2. Okay, so Dota 2, HLMP2 game crashes. A lot of these are classic. Shell 2 tinnitus. Config that pure server that full. That's one fix. Platform. Okay. Let's go to the platform folder and just take a peek. So we do have this platform folder. This is the published. Huh. Alright, so this is the, I would like to do the shaders today, that would be nice. Because they took down a part of the wiki. Oh god, it's like stupid. Can't move that thing. It's always like efficient. Let's go to platform first. Platform config. Yeah, platform doesn't really have anything except for the server stuff. So if we go to mod TF, there is no sounds folder. What's inside config? Shit for loadout. The secret file, local outload. Okay, so we got this crap. Mat underscore motion blur enabled. Shadow render to texture. Interesting. Client shadow manager. Texture allocator. Alright. It would be nice to like mess with this file. Okay, what we have here. I think this is just a small file problem. My initial thing was just go inside this. What is it in scripts? I already have this open somewhere. Scripts. And I should have this being loaded. I don't see how. I'm failing. Okay. That's like unfortunate. It's not here. Yeah, I've seen the soundscapes error before. That's always like appreciative or something. G15 keyboard. Okay. Alright, so it's probably not going to be in here. Following directory structure is not correct. Okay, well, something was not correct anyway. This is the Steam published version. I don't know why I'm looking in here, but just to kind of see. Alright, this is the death file. What I was planning to do with the classical way of fixing this was just go and fetch the file and put it mismatched file. I don't want to go download CSGO, even though I do have it downloaded, I believe. Let's go see. CSGO might have this stupid file. Shaders Vulkan. Some weird shit in here. Okay. There's no platform directory. Where's the main file? I love doing this. This is like stupid. Mod lessons. In structured textures. Collision properties. AI. Sound mixers. There it is. It isn't scripts. Even though I doubt this is a good way to fix it. Well, it's something. It's better than absolutely nothing. I'll get a taste of what's in there once I open the file. I haven't even opened the file yet. I love this. Okay, arms race, weapons, mixed groups. Now this is not the Half-Life 2 version for sure. Uh-oh. So what would happen if I use this file? I will get some other error probably. I should get the right file though. Scripts sound mixers.txt. It's there though. Die. Where the hell is it looking for this dumb file? Okay. Try something here. Since we're already in this directory, what if we did just game the folder? There might be a different path thing. Nope. It loaded though. I want to go find the right file. Something tells me I need to go do that. Alright, let's go to base SDK, HL2 complete. What's HL2 complete? Miscellaneous. It's probably pointing to some shit. Okay, it's not this. It's this crap. I'll open platform first. No, it's not here. It should be here though. It should be actually in this folder. There's no scripts here, so look inside here. The other thing is, it's like, why is it not loading that file? Like, where is it looking? The only other alternative is like this folder, or this place. I don't see it. Oh, maybe it's down here. Yeah, there it is. This is the file we kind of need. Oops. Okay, so this is the mixer values for sounds. So we have to get rid of what we put there. I'm going to keep the other file just because I like hoarding. It's just interesting to see what they did with this file. They did quite a bit. Did I not put it in here? Guess not. So this works. And informatively, to be completely informative about this is the HL2 file. This is not the HL2MP file, but it should be the same compatibility for sound. Yeah. Let's see if it works. And then I'll go scientific lecture on it. Alright, so that's kind of good. Reason why it's not loading HL2 stuff? Because of my game info, probably. Let's go check that out. My game info is the one that came with something. It should be right. I don't know, I should go into scripts and check what's inside game. So yeah, so here we go. Where did I pull this from? I pulled it from the GCFscape HL2 file, right? Inside HL2 folder in Half-Life 2 and Half-Life 2 in Source SDK multiplayer, which is this is referencing, but I don't have those files inside my game folder, even though. Oh, so my Steam ID. This is why. It's referencing these pack files, all source engine paths, but not HL2LV. I don't know if it's loading all these files. Damn it. So what? It doesn't like it. Alright, so this is a part of does this have it? HL2LV. This one doesn't have sound mixer files. So this overrides this, but should take notes of what this loaded or didn't load. These are like the good files to mod too. We get DSP, load, reset, file, unable to open, scripts, DSP, dynamic sound profiles, presets dot text. Okay. get like something else to work, and then something else just like completely screwed. Why is it that crap? Sound mixers, and this is what scripts DSP. It's not in here. Oh no. What file is this? Interestingly enough. Oh, this is probably like CS file. Okay. This is good. I'm having technical difficulties. I shouldn't be. HL2 source dedicated server. It's another file I need to actually use. Try to run this. Doesn't do anything. Okay. It did something somewhere. You need to provide it with like parameters or something. Copy this to the release. I don't know if they let you build it. I don't think they do. Because my app ID is different, and it's like for testing, I would need to have achievements. For example, if I started just pumping out some achievements right now, doing cool stuff, and other like database related items stuff, I need to have all this set up right, without any weird crashes, stupid asserts, all kinds of like bad things you have to do, get through. Let's see, this is this directory, right? So we really need to fix, not this, not this. Oh, whoops, should have put it here. There is a source dedicated server, 32-bit. What the hell is that? Did they get rid of it? Fuck. There's a way to get it though. Let's see if I have it. Is it this one I needed? Find out. No. Wow. Streaming is stupid. It's like waste your CPU. Yeah, it's just raw in here. Provide scripts presets. I mean, just scripts. It's fun doing this. Hypersonic sensitive pulse only. You could still edit this, but just have to like be aware what it's doing. They say not to. There's also like the edict file where you could edit the amount of entities and stuff. Alright, so that's done. We're going to get another error. We should be in this directory though. We'll just load up this for now. And then find our thinger. Source. We were going to find Crime Wars, the other release, the 32-bit version. See what's in there. Dedicated server. Let's see what's in here. DS, yeah, so this does have the old school setup. So you can run the dedicated server on a 32-bit machine. So there's all these like, there's this new nuance that this is compiling 64-bit, and they don't want you to set it up to 32-bit. Even though you can manually do it. You can switch off and on, but you have to be like a builder. All right, so found this. This is good. I'm going to update OBS. Let's just see what the next error is real quick. Wham. Pop-up. Yep, of course. You gotta make one. That's cool though. It'll force me to like do things.